Ya, oke. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so how are you everyone? Okay, so today I will be the teacher of the day, and the material that I want to teach is about technology. So basically, when I'm at the seventh grade, I found a new technology, a new innovating technology to learn, that is Scratch. So today we will learn about Scratch. Okay, so basically this is the list of content. The first thing is introduction. So hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kaskar Sandria. Okay, and you can call me Kaska. So, and the second is what is Scratch, the superiority of Scratch, and learning goals, example, and let's do the practice. Okay, so directly, yeah. So basically, what is Scratch? Scratch is basically a programming language, but it's a fun programming language. Why it's fun? Because it's like creating your own puzzle. And in Scratch, you can create games, even stories, animation, and others. So basically, Scratch is like a programming language for a basic user. Okay, and now directly to the superiority of Scratch. So the first thing, why Scratch is one of the best technology innovation in the 2012 is Scratch is simple to understand. Why it's simple to understand? Because it's block based. So basically it's like very colorful, as you can see. So you can creating your programming logic, and it's a drag and drop system. So basically it's like creating a puzzle. And the second is it's doesn't need to write any code because it's like a puzzle. So Zabran, I wanna ask you, what is the better visual? So the this or this?
This,
The right or the left?
the scratch one, the good one, and
Yes.
the colorful one.
Yeah. So why Scratch is very good for a beginner? Because it's colorful. As you can see, this is how Scratch code is written, and this is how a normal programming code is written. So as you can see, it's like very hard. I think for me, I don't even understand what is this, but I'm very understand. It's easy because Scratch is easy to understand. So you will directly understand what the meaning is. And but this is very hard, yeah. And yeah, maybe that's the second superiority of Scratch. And the third is Scratch is free for everyone. No ads, no microtransaction. There is no anything. So Scratch is basically one of the best programming language because it's friendly, it's free, and you don't even need to download any software or anything. So there is one of Scratch competitor, that is Tinker. Tinker is one of Scratch competitor, but this is Tinker is going to a bankrupt because Tinker is very expensive software, and it's not flexible. Yeah. So Tinker is a software, but Scratch is like a platform. So you can access it with your phone, laptop, or any device that can open browser, because it's a browser based, but you can use the software for free. Okay, and so why we must learn Scratch? Like why we must learn the programming language? So basically, before that, I want to tell you that how effective is Scratch, because at 2012 there is the creator of Scratch, MIT Lab, is doing a research from with 2046 student, and 78% of them is agree that Scratch is a very uh, innovative programming language, so the beginner can understand programming easily. And so why we must learn Scratch? Because the first thing is you will be discovering the fundamental of programming language, programming logic. Yeah, so Scratch is like basically the first step before you wanna be a programmer. So later, if you wanna be a programmer, DevOps, or anything, you must know what the logic of programming first, and you can learn it easily in Scratch. And the second thing is that Scratch is practicing your creativity. You can create anything that beyond your imagination. Even Scratch is only for a 2D, but everyone can beyond it and create a 3D games, animation, and others. So in Scratch, as I tell you before, it's not for games only. It can be for software. You can create like mathematics and other, and you can create animation. Yeah. And the last thing why Scratch is very important, because it will train your critical thinking and problem solving. So basically 100% of the user, the first time user, will face a problem. So that's why we will learn about problem solving, how we fix the code, how we fix the problem in the games. Okay, so this is the example of one of my game. So as you can see, it's a game plus animation, because this is the game title Alien War. So it's like defeating alien. And as you can see, Scratch is very interactive. Like, so how to play is by interacting with the mouse and shooting the boss and the army. Okay, so directly to the practice. Yeah, I will show you the real user interface of Scratch. So this is the home base of Scratch. As you can see, this is a very beginner friendly, and you can even like chatting with other developer. Like this is, you can see all the developer that creating a very good game. Example like Zenith, it's creating like a geometry dash, and even you can create like animation like this from Synergy and geometry. Yeah, so there is many good game in Scratch that you can create. So, and this is how you are creating a code in Scratch. So basically I will explaining some of the feature that is, so this is motion. So what is motion? Motion is like how you move the object. So where is the object? So the object is here. As you can see, this is the example object that is ball, apple, watermelon, and some insect. Nah, so basically each category of this is for controlling the object and creating something new. And even this is a default blocks of Scratch. And in Scratch, even in Scratch, you can create your own block. So you can create your custom block. Like if you want to mix sensing with motion, you can create that with your blocks. And so what is looks? Looks is for the interface of the object. So you can modify the object with only a puzzle. And the sound is for adding the sound to the game, and event is for the logic, like when example, when object click, what happened. So that is the events. And the control is for logic. So like wait, looping, cloning, if, then, else. Yeah, that is for control. And one of best category in Scratch is sensing. So basically sensing is for the interaction of the blocks object to the user. So basically how the object interact with user is by using the sensing category. And the last category is operators. Basically operator is like mathematical. So plus, minus, times, you can use in operators. And Scratch is very customizable. You can add this is the library of Scratch, the object library, and you can create your own object, you can create your own background and others. Yeah, so maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yep.